So today we're at the Oakland Community Garden, really nice local spot where they help the community by growing different things and dispersing the people that are in need. So here we're doing a little gardening today, all kinds of different things. So we did some weeding. Now we're taking the soil right here and putting that on the different beds. And soon some children will be able to plant what they want. So it's going to be a fun little project today.
Volunteering used to be giving back, not wanting anything in return.
What volunteering means to me? I love giving back to the community and getting a little sweat going and just having fun while I do it.
Morning. We got our Woodgrain crew out today. We're doing some cleanup of our local parks. So we're cleaning up all the invasive species around the retention pond, let the better foliage flourish, and got a bunch of us out here doing some good work.
Volunteering means to me giving back to the community, helping in a better way.
To me, volunteering is great because we can give back to a community that puts into the community.
It's helping out with friends too, and spending time together.
That's right, getting out of the office and getting some good exercise in as well.